Let's just make BigEv go bop, 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 bop. Today we're going to wire in a two-step. So this little control box here, which came from PCM Hacking, Ryan, he made a coil distributor box, so I can run an LS style coil, which comes off the wasted Spark DFI module. And one of the options in it is you can actually have a two-step. Now it is a supercharged car, so this is all just wank factor right now, but why not? Let's just do it for shits and giggles and lulls. There's a momentary switch here, so nice little red button.
Oh, the red button there, kid. Don't ever touch the red button.
And all I can think of a good place to put it would be just in the front here. So basically I can at least hold it down and still go from first to second on a launch or something like that. So what I have here is a trigger wire for the two-step. It is grounded triggered, so literally we just gotta put a momentary switch in somewhere and wire it to ground. And like I said before, this is purely a wank factor, but let's just make BigEv go bop, 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 bop. Alright, so there we go, we got this first bit down there, comes underneath, comes up and into where this is actually going to connect. Now, all I need to find is a ground source, so I'm happy to tell you that this is the old mobile phone style connectors that they have in the BTs, and we have a ground right here. So I'll use that with a quick disconnect, so when I take this off to do anything with the gearbox, I don't have to fuck around with wires or anything like that. I just click it off and then that'll allow me to take this off and I can still play with gears. So it turns out before I was wrong. This isn't the mobile phone one, this is actually the automatic transmission selector harness. Obviously this used to be an auto, so we used to click straight into the base of the shifter. Down here is the radio. Now it looks like the person before me has done some stuff to it, so I'll have to clean all this up and just rewire it into that. It's the black and green wire here. She's ground, so that's where it's going to be going. So just to confirm, yes, there it is there, YB23, so the black and green is just straight to ground, so we can just use that straight away. There it is there. Handy little manual, this taught me everything I need to know. This is all up on L67 Talk if you need any wiring diagrams. Yeah, I think it fits. Let's go turn it on.
You remember the little red button?
Yeah?
Push the little red button. And you may want to put on a seatbelt.
Rev limit at 3,000 RPM, not my two-step. So, good way to do valet mode. No one can go past 3,000 RPM in my car. Well, I think we found a way for valet mode. Yeah, it goes really well. Had some fun, make some pops and bangs, blows over cameras. I reckon at night time in the dark it'd be pretty cool as well. But yeah. Well, I don't think it's not a bad addition. So catch you next time. Oh, gotta reset this thing this time. That's a pain. Whole air hovering over us. It wasn't me, officer, I swear. Like I said before, this is purely a wank factor.
Yeah, nah. It's fun.